Well, it's February 1st, 2022, and my plants have been living here for the last several weeks, and I found an exciting surprise today. Okay, here are my little tomatoes, or tomato plants. So let's take a look at the roots first before I get into my excitement. All right. That's one nice thing about having these clear solo cup or whatever clear cups is that you can see the roots very easily. So that's plenty of roots, and of course I'm dropping soil all over the place. This one's the orange hat, and it is the one with the regular seed starting. So let's go with the orange hat with the biosponge. And so you can see that there's plenty of nice roots developing here as well. This is a little bit taller, but then again, it's a situation of this one with the biosponge was planted a little taller. So, all right, let's check the others. This one's the third orange hat, and you can see that there's plenty of nice roots in there. So this is just in regular soil. Then we'll go with our, let's see, this is our microtom. And these are supposed to be smaller than the orange hats. And you can see the roots are developing for sure. And actually, I wasn't sure that this plant was going to actually make it, either of the microtoms, because they were so wimpy and they just were not doing well. And all of a sudden in the last week, they've just come into their own and started growing. But this microtom is the regular potting mix. And finally, the last one, which is also a microtom. Let's take a look at the roots. Has some nice roots in there. And this is the one with the biosponge. So that's the last of the microtoms. Now, 1 second while I go ahead and show you what it looks like after I've repotted the first of these plants. Okay, here's the first one. This is the microtom. And this was the one that was in just the regular potting soil. This is in a 6-inch pot, so that basically means it's 6 inches in diameter and it's about 5 inches tall. I have it, of course, in a little thing to catch some water, so when I water it and it drains out, it's not going to go everywhere. So let me go ahead and take a look at a few more, and I'll show you the root systems too as I take them out. Okay, here is the orange hat that was in the biosponge. So let's take a look at its roots real quick. Okay, so the roots look pretty good. They're not quite as wrapping around the bottom of the cup as much. And here you can see there's the little bit of the biosponge peeking through, which I really shouldn't have done. I should have made sure that there was nothing peeking through, but oh well. I'm going to actually take this one, since this was a really tall plant. I'm actually going to go ahead and damage the roots a little bit as I put this in, because I want to plant it much deeper than it was sitting in its pot. So let me go ahead and finish repotting this one, and I'll be right back. Now here's the exciting part. Here's the last one in its little container, and see that? There are tiny, tiny blossom buds on this. And matter of fact, this one looks like it's thinking about opening up. I found this on all the tomatoes. So all the ones that I went ahead and planted the seed on January 3rd, they now have flowers here on February 1st. How's that for exciting? Well, let me put these guys to bed. I will show you the new light setup probably the next video, but for now, this is Gail signing out, saying have yourself a great day. Bye.